Hello everyone, welcome to Flamboyant Flavors. I am Reena and today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious and flavorful dish, Amritsari Chole, right here in your Instant Pot, which cuts down the cooking time significantly. So let's get started. Soak 1 cup of dried chickpeas in plenty of water for 6 to 8 hours or overnight. Soaking dried chickpeas is always best for flavor and texture. You can use 2 canned chickpeas if you're running short on time. Here's what you will need for the perfect Amritsari Chole. 2 teaspoons of kasuri methi, 2 cinnamon sticks, 1 bay leaf, 2 black cardamom pods, 1 cup of finely chopped red onion, 1.5 cups of tomato puree, 1 teaspoon of green chilies, 1.5 teaspoon of garlic paste, 2 teaspoons of ginger paste, half teaspoon of asafetida, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1.5 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1.5 teaspoons of chole masala, 1 tablespoon of amchur powder or mango powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of baking soda, and here I have 1 cup of strong tea water. Here's how you can make strong tea. In a pot, add 1 cup of water with 2 tablespoons of tea and let it come to a boil. Or you can use 2 tea bags and steep it in boiling water for a few minutes. Once this comes to a boil, strain water in a cup or a jar using a strainer. Now let's get the Instant Pot ready. First, turn on the Instant Pot to a saute mode and add 4 tablespoons of oil or ghee. Once the oil heats up, we'll add bay leaf, cinnamon sticks, black cardamom pods, cumin seeds, and asafetida. Now add the chopped onions and saute them for about 2 minutes. Add just a dash of water to prevent it from sticking to the pot. Then add ginger paste, garlic paste, and green chilies. Saute for another 2 minutes, making sure it doesn't burn. When onions become translucent, now it's time to add all the wonderful spices: coriander powder, cumin powder, red chili powder, turmeric powder, chole masala, amchur powder, and just a dash of water to prevent it from sticking to the pot. Stir it well to coat the onions and ginger garlic paste with all these flavors and cook for about a minute. Next, add the tomato puree and cook for 10 minutes until the oil separates from the masala and the tomatoes have cooked down nicely. Also, don't forget to add salt. Now that the masala is ready, it's time to add our soaked chickpeas. Give them a good stir to mix everything together. Hey, if you're new to my channel, welcome. Please subscribe so you don't miss out new videos I post. Next, we'll add 1 cup of strong tea that we made with additional half to 3/4 cup of water and baking soda. This will help give chole its signature deep color and enhance the flavor. You see the reaction after adding baking soda? Strong tea and baking soda will help chickpeas cook through to make it more creamy and rich in flavor. Give everything a final stir. Close the Instant Pot lid. Set the valve to sealing. Now let's pressure cook the chickpeas for 6 minutes on high pressure. After the Instant Pot goes off, let it sit for about 20 minutes to naturally release the inbuilt pressure. Then do a quick release to let out any remaining steam and open the lid. Before stirring chole, add kasuri methi and then give this a mix. Look at that. The chickpeas are tender and the masala is thick and flavorful. It smells amazing. If needed, give a squeeze of lemon on this Amritsari Chole for that extra zing. Amritsari Chole is ready to serve. The flavors are so rich and the chole is perfectly cooked. It's spicy, tangy, and absolutely delicious. You can enjoy it with bhatura, naan, or rice, just like the street vendors in Amritsar. Let's finish it off with a sprinkle of fresh cilantro for color and flavor. I hope you enjoyed making this Amritsari Chole with me. The Instant Pot makes this recipe so easy and quick. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tasty recipes. Thank you for watching. Until next time, happy cooking.